Hey, Fred, so glad you're here. My name is Angelina, and I have a business called AI Coaching with Angelina. And I help entrepreneurs just like you to utilize AI to support all of the things in your business. So, from leads to content creation to making the sales, I love supporting women entrepreneurs. Today, I want to show you just a quick way how you can use this guide to create amazing images. Check this. Okay, so to get started, we're going to click Create Image and we'll upload our headshot. It can be a selfie, whatever, you want to use here. And then there's two parts to this. First, we're going to grab the prompt, which is on the second tab. So we'll say copy that prompt and put that first. And then the other important part is to make sure on this first tab that you click preserve the subject's facial features. Grab that prompt exactly as it is and paste it there. And then click submit. Okay, and there's my image. And if I don't like the clothing that it put me in, I can certainly suggest different outfits. I can say, can you change the color of the clothing to a black sweater? And then it will adjust those images. Now, this is creating the images one by one. I want you to try this out, see what you think, and then in a couple of days, I'm going to send an email with something that I have called my Amplified You Studio, where it will render over 200 images just like that. So you don't have to keep editing each one. So check this out, reply and let me know what you think. Okay, and there we go. And there's my image. So I can download that and use it in my social media. Thanks for watching.